Good morning to everyone. Welcome to UKG class. Now we are going to talk about this lesson. What is it? What is it? Okay, children, look and say. First, you see the pictures only. After you see the pictures name. Okay, children. What is the picture? This is a box. What is this? This is a box. Next, what is this? Did you know the animals? What is the name of this animal? Dog. Next, what is the picture? What is the picture? This is a pen. Next, what is this? This is a bell. Next picture. What is this? This is a fan. Next. What is this? This is a key. One more time. You say the picture's name. Okay. Box, dog, pen, bell, fan and key. Okay, children. Okay. Now listen carefully. I, capital I, small letter T. This is it. Okay. IS is a box. This is a box. Okay. BOX. Box. Okay. Next one. IT, it. IS is a dog. What picture's name? Dog. 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 Okay, children. Next. It is a pen. Okay. IT, it. IS is a pen. 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 Okay. This is a pen. Next. IT, it. IS is a bell. 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 This picture is bell. Okay, children. Next, it is a fan. What is it? It is a fan. IT, it. IS is a fan. F-A-N. Fan. Next. What is this? What is it? It is a key. IT, it. IS is a key. 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 Okay. Repeat after me. It is a box. It is a dog. It is a pen. It is a bell. This is a bell. Next one. It is a fan. This is fan. It is a key. This is key. Okay, now I will write. Okay. Heading is what is it? IT, it. IS is a box. 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 Next, what is the picture? Dog. IT, it. IS is a dog. DOG. Okay, children. Next picture is pen. IT, it. IS is a pen. 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 Next. IT, it. S is a bell. B E L L. Bell. Last one. I T it. I S is a key. What is it? Key. K E Y. Key. Okay. I will read one more time. What is it? Is heading. IT it. IS is a box. What is it? Box. B O X. Okay. Next. IT it. IS is a dog. What is it? Dog. D O G. Dog. Next one. IT it. IS is a pen. What is it? Pen. P E N. Pen. Okay. Next one. IT it. IS is a bell. What is it? Bell. B E L L. Next. IT it. IS is a key. K E Y. Key. Okay, children. What is it? What is the Tamil meaning? இது என்ன? What is it? Itனா இது என்ன? It is a box. இது என்னது? Box. ஓகேவா? What is it? It is a. ஓகேவா? What is it? இது என்ன? இது என்ன பொருள் அப்படின்ற மீனிங் தான். ஸோ இங்கே பாக்ஸ் இருக்குது. ஸோ நம்ம இது என்னன்னு சொல்லி கேட்குறது, இது என்ன பொருள்? ஸோ இட் இஸ் எ பாக்ஸ். வாட் இஸ் இட்? இட் இஸ் எ பாக்ஸ். வாட் இஸ் இட்? It is a dog. Next. What is it? It is a pen. IT it. IS is a pen. Next. What is it? It is a bell. IT it. IS is a bell. Next one. What is it? It is a fan. What is it? It is a fan. So it is a fan. Next one. Key. What is it? It is a key. So IT it. IS is a key. K E Y. Key. Okay. You see the pictures? Say the spellings only. Okay. Box. What is the spelling of box? B O X. Box. Next. What is the spelling of dog? D O G. Dog. Okay. Next. What is the picture? Pen. What is the spelling of pen? P E N. Okay. Next. What is the picture of spelling? Bell. B E L L. Bell. Okay. Next. What is the picture? Fan. What is it? Fan. F A N. Fan. Next. What is it? It is a key. Say the spelling. K E Y. K E Y. Key. Okay. One more time read. Okay. What is it? IT it. IS is a box. It is a box. Next sentence. IT it. IS is a dog. D O G. Dog. It is a dog. Next. IT it. IS is a pen. What is it? Pen. So it is a pen. Next. IT it. IS is a bell. B E L L. Bell. Next. It is a key. Say the spelling. IT it. IS is a key. K E Y. Key. Okay. Next. Look at the picture and write the name. Look at the picture and write the name here. Okay, look at the book, all of you. Look at the picture and write the name. Okay, give one example for it is a hen. This is hen, so it is a hen. Okay, next. What is it? What is it, children? It is a tap. What is it? Tap. So here tap is coming. Okay, it is a tap. Next, what is it? Did you know the picture? What is it? This is a bell. So it is a bell. What will you come? Bell. Next, what is this picture? What is it? It is a van. So it is a here van. Okay, next, what is it? It is a cat. So it is a cat is here. Okay, cat, cat. Wait. Look at the picture. And write the name. Write the name. Already I have told. is yeah. Dash is here. Okay. Next sentence. is yeah. Dash. Next. is yeah. Here also one dash. Last one. is yeah. Dash. Okay. Here what will come? Tap. Tap. What will come? Tap. Next one, bell. Next one, van. Here, cat. Okay, now I will write. First picture is tap. T-A-P, tap. Next one what? Bell. B-E-L-L. Bell. Next one, van. V-A-N. Van. Next one, cat. C-A-T. Okay. One more time read. Okay. It is a tap. Tap. What is the spelling of tap? T-A-P. Tap. Next. is a bell. B-E-L-L. Bell. Next. is a van. What is the spelling of van? V-A-N. Van. Next. is a cat. C-A-T. Cat. Okay, children. One time you see the pictures. Okay. Recall only. What is it? It is a box. What is it? It is a box. Next. What is it? It is a dog. Okay. Next. What is it? It is a pen. Next. What is it? It is a bell. Here, bell picture. Next. What is it? It is a fan. Here, fan picture. Next. What is it? It is a key. Okay, children. Okay, here also we have finished this page. Okay, here spell and write. Okay, just you spell and write one time in your home. Okay, box. B-O-X. Box. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Next. Pen. P-E-N. Pen. Next here fan. F-A-N, fan. Next, key. K-E-Y, key. Next, hen. H-E-N, hen. Next, top. Okay, sorry, tap. T-A-P, tap. Bell. B-E-L-L, bell. Next one, van. V-A-N, van. Cat. C-A-T, cat. Okay, box means பெட்டி, dog நாய், பெண்ணுனா இருந்தது நம்ம எழுதுகிற பெண்ணு, ஃபேன், கீனா சாவி, ஹென்னு கோழி, டேப்னா பைப், பெல்லு மணி, வேனு, கேட்னா பூனை. ஓகேவா? Today this class over. See you meet next class. Thank you.